Good evening, students. Now I'm going to start the new topic of class 10 science type of chemical reaction. First reaction is combination reaction. First of all, you have to learn one sentence here. Calcium oxide react with water. It will produce slag lime, means releasing the amount of heat also with calcium hydroxide. It means you can see here. I'm taking example of first of all I will use brush means CaO. This is quick lime and this will react with water and it will form calcium hydroxide. It is called as slag lime. It also release heat in the medium. Okay, this reaction means CaO, which is solid in form, H2O, which is liquid in form, will react each other and form a product known as calcium hydroxide. Such reaction is formed from two or more reactant is known as combination reaction. Such reaction in which single product is formed. You have to learn, note it that there is single product. Single product will be formed. So that's all you have to learn. There is single product in which combination reaction take place. Example is CaO. Quicklime will react with water and form slackline. Now, when you are burning the coal, first of all, up to burning of coal is found in solid in form. It will react with oxygen present in air, form CO2 gas. Now you have to denote the nature of element, compound, atoms present. C means carbon, means coal. Coal is found in solid form. That's why you have written here solid. O2 means oxygen is found in gaseous form. That's why you have to put G here, and this reaction is giving the product CO2. Formation of water from H2 and O2. Now you will see that hydrogen is found in gaseous form, O2 is found in gaseous form. Both will form a water. It is known as H2O. Okay, simple language you have to understand. When two or more substance element compound combine to form single product is called as combination reaction. Only you have to learn there is single product means a lot of there maybe a reactant maybe two or three number, but product is always single. That is called as combination reaction. Other example of exothermic reaction. Now this reaction may be exothermic. Okay, combination reaction along with formation of product also release heat in the medium. That's why it is also called as exothermic reaction. Means methane is found in gaseous form, react with oxygen G, and it will form CO2 and water. It is called as combination reaction with exothermic. Means there is releasing of heat in the medium. Okay, now you have to learn daily basis example. Means the plants have glucose. Okay, means glucose will react with oxygen. It is process of respiration which always take place in your body also. C6H12O6 is a glucose found in aqueous solution. He will dissolve in aqueous solution. Now, oxygen also present in water or aqueous medium. Oxygen will react with glucose. It form means it is the burning process, it is the respiration. It will form CO2, H2 with heat. There is releasing of energy also. Energy will release in the medium. Decomposition of vegetable matter into the compost is also example of exothermic reaction. When I will ask what is exothermic reaction, means there is heat expansion. There is heat releasing in the medium. It is example of exothermic means decomposition process. All vegetable matter get converted into the compost. It is example of exothermic reaction. You will feel the heat around the vegetable when there is compost formation. Now, second reaction is decomposition. The reaction name is derived from decompose. Means anything is going to be decomposed. It means there is single reactant. It will break down into the simpler form of product. Okay. Now, yeah, this is ferrous sulfate found in solid and it is forming Fe2O3 as solid form and SO2 that is gaseous form, SO3 gaseous form. This is called ferric oxide, this is called ferrous oxide or ferrous sulfate. In this reaction, you will observe that a single reactant means single reactant will form more than one type of product. Okay, single reactant breakdown to give simpler product. This is a decomposition reaction. Ferrous sulfate lose water when heated and color of crystal change. Okay, then it decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, ferric oxide in a solid white SO2 and SO3 gases. Decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide. This is calcium carbonate means Unapatha limestone. Okay, this is limestone. It will burn heated, then you will get quicklime. Okay, quicklime and CO2. This is example of decomposition reaction. Means there is single reactant is break down into the two or more product. Okay, it is another example of thermal decomposition reaction. Okay, now emission of brown fumes. This is example of nitrogen dioxide. The reaction of एक example है. Now I will show you something. Yeah. Okay, PbNO3. It is lead nitrate. Very important. It is found in solid form. Lead nitrate when get heated, it will form product known as lead oxide PbO in the form of solid and NO2 in the form of gas, O2 in the form of gases. Okay, PbNO3 in the form of solid, PbO in the form of solid, NO2 in the form of gas, and O2 in the form of gas. Okay, now you can see this reaction. You will do activity at your home. I have to revise only. White silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. When you will put silver chloride AgCl2 AgCl in the presence of light sunlight, this will turn into the grey. This is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into the silver and chlorine by light. Light will break down AgCl into the Ag and Cl2. Okay, silver bromide also behave in the same way. AgBr, sunlight in the presence of sunlight, Ag plus Br. AgBr is a reactant which is found in single and it is formed in the it is found in solid state. It will break down into the silver and bromine. Above reaction used in black and white photography. You have you have to remember before 19th century, there was black photography, means there were only black and white photography in the India and other countries and the world. We have seen that decomposition reaction required energy either in the form of heat, light, electricity for breakdown the reactant. Okay, reaction in which energy is absorbed is known as endothermic reaction. Means you have to learn decomposition reaction is endothermic process. Decomposition reaction is a endothermic process. Okay. Why does the iron L become brownish in color and other blue color of copper sulfate solution fats? Now you have to learn here. Iron is a form of solid in state iron and CSO4 aqueous. Now you will find FeSO4 iron sulfate. Cu is a copper as a solid state. In this reaction, iron has displaced or removed another and the element copper from copper sulfate solution. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. Means someone will displace other. There is a displacement of one element by other, which is lower in oxidation state and other values. Means Zn will be displaced by copper. And copper will be displaced by Zn. This is the reaction. Means Zn plus CuSO4 will combine to form ZnSO4 with Cu. Means Zn will combine to SO4 form ZnSO4 and Cu will release in the medium as alone. Okay. Here Pb means lead. Lead will combine with copper chloride will form lead chloride and Cu. You are also observing here Pb is a lead metal, CuCl2 also, and now Cu is replaced by the lead here, and product is PbCl2 and Cu. This means one element will displace another. Okay. Zinc and lead are more reactive element than copper. Zinc and lead are more reactive element than copper. Okay. Now I will teach you double displacement reaction tomorrow class. Class is over now. Thank you.